my beautiful Nicolette, welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new. This video is a little bit different from what I normally do, but I thought it would be extremely useful. If you clicked on this video, I'm assuming that you want to make extra income, whether it's because your job is not providing you enough income, or you're a student, or even if you're an entrepreneur, you just want to have as many sources of income as possible, then this is the video for you. I'm going to share a bunch of different ways to make easy money from home, whether that's just a few bucks or thousands of dollars. I will link anything I talk about as well in the description box for you guys to check out, so make sure you guys do check out my description box after the video. If you do want to contact me or talk to me a little bit more, you can always follow me on my socials. I'm most active on my Instagram, which is just at NicolettaXOIT. It means so much when you guys follow me on there, but enough talking, let's get into the video. This first way on how to make extra income is for my dog lovers out there, and that is to become a pet sitter and start your own pet sitting business. So this is actually extremely easy. You can start your own pet sitting business through the website rover.com. Rover.com is a pet sitting service that offers daytime and overnight jobs. It is super easy to sign up as a Rover sitter. Of course, when you sign up, you have to set up your profile and you can put your picture. You can also put in what services you are going to provide, what your rates are, and all that good stuff. Rover.com offers a ton of services, and it's up to you on which services you want to provide, but they do include things such as house sitting, drop-in visits, doggy daycare, dog walking, and also dog boarding. And dog boarding is actually, you can make double the amount of money. It is pretty much when you have someone else's dog sleep over at your house and you get paid for having an overnight visit at your house. It's really up to you on which services you want to provide. You can provide all of them, you can provide a couple of them, so it's really up to you, like I said. And you do set your own rates, so you can charge whatever you feel is appropriate to you. You can become a Rover sitter in the United States, Canada, and the UK, so if you're from any of those areas, definitely check into this, especially if you love animals like I do. Really convenient because you can put which times you're available, and you can kind of go around your schedule that you have. Whether you're studying in college or you have another job, you can kind of schedule it around your busy schedule and make extra income. Starting this dog setting business is great to do with rover.com because they're a very safe and trusted website. So pretty much they are going to provide a background identity checks. You of course have to be approved. They do look into the dogs as well, and they are going to provide you with 24/7 support, whether that's via phone, email, or online chat. They have secure online payments, they have safety experts, and they have verified reviews, and as well as photo updates. So it's just very safe and an easy way to kind of start making extra income on the side. There's going to be both good dogs and good people. You can never go wrong with that, especially if you're someone right now who has a dog also and you're just interested in finding maybe a dog sitter and you never knew about rover.com. This is also great for you out there as well. But if you do want to make extra income, this is a really great, fun, and easy way to make extra money. Who doesn't love playing with dogs? And you get paid for it, so it's like double the win. Rover.com is also a really popular service right now, and people are making bookings by the minute. You can really make a good amount of extra money on the side, and you could start to build up your clientele, and who knows, you can have a lot of clients coming in. But I definitely recommend checking it out. I will have the link down below in the description box to check out, and definitely feel free to sign up and start to become a Rover sitter today because it's really easy, it's simple, and it's such a fun job. And I think it's great to find jobs that are fun and you get paid also, so it doesn't really feel like you're working, which I think is really great. Way number 2 is to start a YouTube channel. I currently do YouTube full-time, and if you guys want a whole video on how I make money and make YouTube my full-time job, let me know. I definitely would love to do it and help you out if you're someone that aspires to become a YouTuber or you want to start your own YouTube channel. It is becoming more common now that people want to become YouTubers, and I think there is nothing wrong with that as long as you have the passion and you're doing it for all the right reasons. When I started YouTube, I didn't make money, and I really did it because I had a genuine passion. I started YouTube 6 years ago, and it was more like a hobby. I had my full-time career and I did it as a hobby. And it turned into this, which is amazing because I started it with my passion and now my passion, I'm getting paid for it. So you don't want to be that person that does YouTube just for the money because one, you won't make money right away. This is a little bit of a slower way to make income, of course, because you do have to get to a certain point. But I'm letting you know that you don't have to be super huge to pull in a little bit of income from YouTube. You do have to reach the certain standards that YouTube has, which I believe it's 10,000 views and overall views, I think, and 1,000 subscribers. Did that change? I'm not sure. But I'm telling you, if you are consistent and you are putting out good content, it is going to start growing, and that is an extra way that you can make money, especially if you're creative and you like doing videos. There's no downfall to starting a YouTube channel. So if that's something you want to do, definitely start it today. You don't have to wait. You can start it any day that you want. And of course, once you reach the threshold that YouTube wants, then you can start to monetize your videos and you are going to be paid for your videos through Google AdSense. Number 3 is affiliate marketing. Speaking of anything social media, an easy way to make extra income is to start affiliate marketing. And what that pretty much is if you have a pretty good following, even if it's on your Facebook or your Instagram or Twitter, whatever that may be, you can sell products that you love and make a small commission from it. So of course you're not going to make crazy amounts of money, but it's extra little income coming. It honestly does make a difference. Whatever money you have coming, it's going to make a difference. You can use a bunch of different sites for this. There is rewardstyle, magiclinks, and I believe Amazon has an affiliate program. And there's also a ton of brands that you can go on their websites and it says affiliate program or partnership, and you can apply for it and then you can set that up. So if you want a specific brand, look into the brand and see on their website if they provide affiliate marketing, or you can even email them and ask them yourselves. If you love a certain product and you're promoting it and someone buys that product through your link, you're going to make a small commission off of it. Number 4 is selling your unwanted items on different sites. So if you're gonna sell random things around your house, you can use eBay, Kijiji, or you can even use the Facebook market. So Facebook, if you sign in, you can go on the Facebook market and you can put up something for sale, and it's going to connect you to a lot of people locally around you. They can bid on it, you can come to an agreement and then sell your product. And once you sell your product, you can meet up with them. I always recommend meeting up with people in public spaces. It's important to be safe. You never know. Meeting in a public space with a ton of people around you is the best way to go to do that exchange where you get the money and you give them the unwanted item that you sold. That's just a great way to bring a little bit more extra income and bring a little bit more extra cash into your pockets. I know for my family, we sold one of our old cars on Kijiji and we put up an ad and we were getting so many phone calls right when it went live. You can sell unwanted household items, you can sell anything you can think of, and I'm sure there's someone out there that's going to want it. What do they say? One man's garbage or trash is another man's treasure or something. You guys know that quote. And if you want to sell things more like clothes, I suggest using apps where you can sell clothes such as Poshmark. They have Depop, Let Go, I believe. That's really great for selling your clothes, your purses, your shoes. It's a really great way, but you can also sell it on eBay or Facebook Market. It's great to sometimes clean out your closet, clean out your house, and see things that you don't need, you don't use, and just make a little few extra bucks from it. Number 5 is to make an Etsy account. This is really great if you're a creative person and you already make things. It is great to make an Etsy account. You can sell things on Etsy and start your own shop. You can sell anything all the way from art, photography, jewelry, bath and beauty product, knickknacks, and more. So if you're just someone who's very creative and you're really great at making things, or you can customize, let's say, tumblers or mugs and stuff like that, sell it online because you'd be surprised how many people will love it. And I personally love Etsy. I think there's really cute things that you can find on Etsy that you're not gonna find in stores. And I love how Etsy is very personalized. So you can always personalize your things to whoever is the person that wants to buy your product. And of course you can set your rates and all that. And you can start making a little business. Your Etsy shop can become pretty popular, and overall you can start making a lot of money off just having an Etsy site. Number 6 is to become a freelancer. So this is really great if you are someone that has a certain talent in something, whether that's photography, whether it's video graphics or editing, whatever it may be. You can become a freelancer. Doing freelance work can greatly increase your income. It's extra cash coming in aside from your job that you may have. A great site to use is upwork.com. On this site, you can find freelancers and you can find freelance jobs. Upwork has thousands of employers who want to hire all kinds. If you get a great reputation at upwork.com, you can turn it into a full-time job. You can always start your freelance stuff on the side. You could start by making your own Instagram account and promoting yourself. Promote yourself on Facebook, promote yourself on LinkedIn. You can promote your services so it gets out there. But another great way to get out there as a freelance is to join upwork.com. It's going to connect people that maybe want freelancers, and it's going to connect freelancers with jobs. That is a great website for freelancers. And the last one I have for you for today's video is just tutoring. So if you're really great at tutoring, you can either do private tutoring where you go over to a student and you help them, or you can even do online tutoring. I know when I was younger, I totally forgot about this, but I did have a tutor at one point, and it was for math when I was younger, and it's really great. It helped me out a lot as a student personally, and also you're giving money to someone that may need the extra cash. If you're good at English, math, and you're just really good at that and you love it, you could teach students, whatever it may be. You could teach younger students, high school students, whatever you want to do, and you're going to pull in extra cash, which is always a great thing, which you want. Those are all of the ways to make some extra income. So hopefully you found this helpful and you can earn a few extra bucks to maybe thousands of dollars. Just remember that you can do anything you set your mind to. I know that when I first started my YouTube, a lot of people were very skeptical about it. A lot of people didn't believe in it. It's really important to always believe in yourself and know that you can do as much as you want. It is your life. Do the things that you love and take that risk, and don't be afraid of that risk, because something amazing can come out of it. You're only going to regret the chances that you didn't take. So I hope this was useful. I will have everything linked down below, and thank you to Rover for partnering up with me. I love rover.com. Like I said, it's just a really easy and great way to make money, and it's something that I personally love, so I was super excited to share it with you guys. I'll have the link down below in the description box. Make sure to check it out. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It would mean so much if you guys click the subscribe button to become a part of the Fam Jam, because I do upload every Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. And hopefully if you guys enjoy this, I would love to start more videos around ways to make more money, ways to start your dream job, build a successful career, and maybe do it through a more different route. Don't forget to click the bell so you guys are notified every single time I upload. But I hope you guys are having an amazing day, evening, or night whenever you're watching this, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye!